Just take a look at this scenario where you have to focus on achieving a high quality finishes in building construction, particularly in wall construction and plastering. Just watch carefully. You see, in some of these things, there's some equipment to the tools that you need to have as a professional, like plumb lines, long greens, sprit levels, specialized tools like trowel, float, and screed. All these things will help you to achieve a very nice finish. Can you see? Very commendable, guys. Just watch. Can you see it? A lot of times we got it wrong by trying to just plaster anyhow or render your walls anyhow. At the end of the day, you get yourself to blame.